The Waterdeep Trading Company is the purveyor of all the finest adventuring supplies to travelers, rogues, wizards, and clerics in all Faerun and is headquartered in the great city of Waterdeep on the Sword Coast. Recently, they have been experiencing a massive upswing in the traffic through their store and have realized that the old quill and scroll-based financial system will not scale anymore. The manual supply chain management processes that they are using will not handle their forecasted future demand. As a result, they have taken the step to modernize their finance and supply chain systems and implement Microsoft Dynamics 365 to manage all their legal, and not-so-legal, entities. And the following is a journal of how they set up their system and tweaked it to make it work perfectly. Before we can start off on our journey of setting up our new company within Dynamics 365, we need to set up a cloud-hosted environment of Dynamics 365 that we can work in. We will do that by setting up a cloud-hosted environment within Azure, which will be funded by an Azure subscription that we have on our account. In this module, we will learn how to sign up for a free Azure subscription, link the subscription to Lifecycle Services, and then deploy a new blank Dynamics 365 environment that we will be able to use for this training course. If this is the first time that we have used Azure to set up a subscription, then you are in luck, because we can take advantage of the free trial subscription, which will give us $200 in free Azure credits that we can use for the first 30 days. If at the end of this time we don't want to continue and convert this to a pay-as-you-go subscription, then we can just cancel the subscription. Since the cloud-hosted environment will cost a little bit of money, around $500 a month if we keep it up and running all the time, then getting a credit as we are testing this out is a great thing to take advantage of. So let's start off the process by signing up for a free trial subscription. To start off, we will want to open a browser and go to the Azure portal website. To do this, just navigate to https://portal.azure.com and log in with the credentials that you want to use to access your Dynamics 365 cloud-hosted environment. This will take us to the Azure portal, where we will be able to start configuring our Azure subscription. Next, we will want to go to the subscriptions area within the Azure portal. To do this, we will just type in sub into the search box in the header of the Azure portal, and that will allow us to select the subscription service. This will take us to the subscriptions page where we will be able to maintain all the subscriptions that we may want to set up within Azure. Right now, we don't have any, so we will want to add a new subscription to our Azure account. To do this, all we need to do is click on the Add button. This may ask us to sign into the portal again using the credentials that we used to log into Azure in the first place to confirm that we are who we are and that someone isn't trying to sneak onto our system and set up subscriptions that we don't want. To do this, just confirm our password for the account and click on the Sign In button. This will take us to the Add Subscription page where we will see that we have several different options that we can choose from when we set up our subscriptions. We will want to start off by taking advantage of the free trial offer. To do this, all we need to do is click on the free trial button. This will take us to the free trial sign-up page within Azure. We will start off by entering all of the information that is required in the About You section of the sign-up page. To do this, we will just fill in the account information and then click on the Next button. This will then take us to a section where we need to verify that we are who we are by providing some credit card information. All we need to do here is provide a valid credit card and the associated details. To do this, we just need to enter in all the credit card information and the billing address before clicking on the Next button. Finally, we will be taken to the last step, which is to confirm the agreement terms for the subscription. All we need to do here is confirm that we agree to the terms and conditions and sign on up. To do this, we will just need to change the I agree option and click on the Sign Up button. For this example, we will want to click on the I agree toggle switch and change it to the checked value. After we have done that, we will be taken to the Quick Start Center and we will have a new subscription configured.